guys!
No one bullies. She's Royale. She's a fan of ours, even though she stole my heart.
Well, we need that heart.
You need the heart? What do you need the heart for, huh?
Yeah, that's our future right now, big dog.
You ain't getting that heart as long as I stand here.
Well, I got a bone to pick with you anyway.
If you want that heart, you gotta get past me.
Sounds like an easy job to me.
Raquel, throw it on the camera.
Tell him, big dog, you know how to do. Kick on.
Yo, hey you, come here. Yeah, me, woo!
Good job, Raquel!
Yeah, great camera work.
Wow, I'm out of here. I got what I need. I'm out of here. No, oh my gosh. You know what?
I'll give it to you.
Okay. Well, that was easy.
Well, here, catch it. Oh my gosh. I don't know. They're not even very good fighters. I almost feel bad for kicking their butt.
Yeah, maybe not.
Should we let us in the dojo so we can just learn fighting?
Yeah,
That's what I need. I need fighting skills.
Are you okay, buddy? I feel bad. You know what? Leader Peters doesn't care about you. You know what he would say to you right now?